Thought it was pretty funny that I was watching exhaust laws, and this stock Camaro seems pretty loud. And yeah, let's see if it pulls away. Literally, the startup of it was like pretty loud, so I'm pretty sure the cop would give her shit. It's actually a girl driving the Camaro. Let's see if it's actually loud. It kind of is pretty loud. Oh god, Jesus. I really hope we can get this shit out of here. That 2019 California law is ridiculous. Even that car, just on startup, on the cold start, it sounded pretty loud. I'm just like, oh gosh. I'm over here in the Corona area, California, and I recently put everything back to stock because I really don't want to start with be hassled by the ref and by the cops. They're going on ticket sprees. I'm in Facebook groups on the Subaru pages, and I see a whole bunch of everyone freaking out about a lot of people getting state refed. It's just going crazy out there. But anyways, stay safe, guys. Stay safe.